Want to know how to log into your Truist bank account? You would want to log into your Truist bank account to pay bills, transfer money, and to access your statements. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to log into your Truist bank account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open any browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Here search for the Truist bank login. Now tap on the first search result and this will take you to the official site of Truist Bank. Here either you can sign in through your user ID or your QR code. Here I am entering through my user ID. After entering your user ID and password, you can tap on the Save User ID option right below the user ID for easy login process in the future. However, it is not recommended in public computer or shared device. Now tap on the Sign In button. So this is how you can log into your Truist bank account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.